Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can recover a TikTok streak. So first up, open your TikTok app as you can see on your screen. And then from here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Here on your profile page, tap on the three lines to the top right. Select on settings and privacy. Now under the settings and privacy, scroll down and find the report a problem button. Now here, you just have to scroll down and tap on suggestions. Then tap on no, tap on need more help. So from here, I recommend you to chat with the TikTok support. So basically just have to paste this message here or can just write down like this one and then tap on send and just have to wait for their answers to fix the problem. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.